Haka jingwat bnia ka baklep sange kibor pulit haka laitrik jiliu kilalap din ya kawait bala pendenkam haka ba pyniap ya uraja Raghuvanshi haka ba ya kamet yap jong u lalap na ka jakariat hakshaj Weisawdong hadin ba ulaja arngai herengkat ka kurim jong u haka jingwan Shanghai Sohra Sohra Ngilayuk tam ya kawait ke badang temai bala pendenkam tang na kebenta kani ka kam pyniap nakshaj Weisawdong ong u Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills uba Vivek im Dak ba Pynthikna ba ka de ka kam pyniap USP ulaong uni unong Indor Raja ula syak pyniap kam don kanu ke jingkeli da ka muipat bat ngila register case kam pyniap bat ka jing penduk ya kisaki satar kam don ka jing artatin ba ka de ka kam pyniap ngi hab banwat ya ka daw ka ba shalandet jong kani Ula ong ru baya kani ka kes kila shim kum ka kam ka bah khmat e bat ka kenhuan Special Investigation Team SIT balakli da uba SP City ba Herbert Kharkongor kalaya syakmat ban penlong ya kejing tokit halor kani kejingja Ya uba Herbert on yarap lang da kisaungut ki Deputy Superintendent of Police DSP Crime DSP City DSP Operation bat SDPO Sohra nalor arngut ki Sub Inspector Habakali uba Vivek ulaong baki pulit kedang ap menta ya kakai pot jong ke postmortem ban Pynthikna la uraja ula klat haswa ba unsya bret cariat ni hadin bala bret ya u syapok ketika jakariat Ngimpat la ban ong la ula syak pyniap shua la ni ula syak bret Henry hadin bangilayo ya kakai pot jong ke postmortem ngin sala ban Pynthikna la kidak mensau ki de ki balam syak ka jingyap haswa ban syak bret ni udang im shua ban bret ya u ngin datip na ka postmortem ong USP. Nalor kata USP ula benrap ngimpat la setiaban Pynthikna kumta ai baki jing shisha kin sami pau bat hooj katiar ka dei ka bala pendenkam ha ka ba pyniap kata la ka jing tmu ka long ban lute lane ka jing penhiar kepun lane don kino ki daw ya shun hapdeng kinongle bat une ulanon Ngi don kam ban khmi shu ya kisakhi satar bat tat hadien kane ngin sala ban penpau Henry ya mentahi kadang kloi palat ban ong EA Hakaju kapor uba Vivek upentip baya ka kurim jong uraja ka sonam ompat syam lalap din satya bat ka jingwat ban lap din yaka kadang yai beteng Lasyai ka singi ngin beteng ya ka jingwat jongi haki jaka ki ba marjan namar kane kriat ka dei ka bayar kumta ngin saya wat syakini ki jaka baro kata haka jingjingai ka ba iwei hadu ar kilometer na ka jaka balalap ya ka met jong uraja ulaong
See, today I'd like to, since you all have got an update since yesterday, today the search has continued again in Weisawdong Falls and NDRF also has been involved. So the gorge is about 3 layers and they have gone right to the last layer and NDRF, SDRF, SOT have gone down and they have recovered the phone of the victim and they have also recovered the weapon which was used. It was dao, the knife which was used and that has been seized. However, the wife of the deceased has not been found yet. Tomorrow we'll resume again our search in the same area and in the adjoining areas which is close by. It's because the gorge extends to quite a distance from there, so we'll be looking for those areas which is about say 1 or 2 kilometers from that place. So it is in the same alignment with the job with that same gorge which we of Weisawdong. So our priority is right now is to again look for the body of the female. See, like I said in my press release yesterday, we can't rule out all. We can't rule out any. We can't rule out all possibilities. So let the facts come in. And yes, the weapon was used to murder. Whether the motive was for robbery or if there was any vendetta or there was any form of hatred or any issue in between the accused and the victims, we need to find that out. So facts will come forth as and when we investigate. So we need to look for more evidence in the place of occurrence. We need to look for evidence elsewhere also, and then only we can come to a certain conclusion. But otherwise, at this juncture, it's premature to say anything. We need to find more evidence. Our aim is to get more evidence, then we can say something concrete. Otherwise, it'll just be mere assumptions. No, there's no doubt. In fact, I have already said it's a case of homicide. The body which we got yesterday, the person has been murdered. There's no question about it. And we've registered a case also for murder, common intention, and for destruction of evidence or non-disclosure of of trying to hide since the body was thrown. So the attempt was to try to hide all forms of evidence. So that section also is there. So there's no doubt that it is murder, but we have to find out what is the motive behind it. See, we can't say that dao is available everywhere. You can even buy it online. So we'll have to find out. But it's what I can say. It's a new dao, just used for this purpose only. It's not an old dao where people use it every day for cutting wood or anything. It's a new dao, but just for this purpose only. We can't say whether he was killed and then thrown. But yes, once we get the postmortem report, then we can ascertain from the kind of injury whether the injury out there is fatal for him to have died before being thrown, or whether he was alive and being thrown. So we'll know from the postmortem that yes, he was thrown, and because he died out of the fall. So that will come in the postmortem report. The route taken by the scooty is in line with that it had gone to Weisawdong and had come out to Syllad. Yes. Yes, we in fact we've treated this as a special report case. It is on topmost priority. We have the special investigation team investigating this case. The team will be headed by the SP City. There are other 3 DSPs, DSP Crime, DSP City, and DSP Ops, and four DSPs and SDPO Sohra. And we have 2 sub-inspectors also. One is the IO and one is the assistant who will be supporting the IO. So we have many GOs in this special investigation team. That only says that is a case of topmost priority.